Exercise 34. To investigate whether the use of weekly practice tests improves the academic performance of students at Pinewood High School, a sample of 120 of the 1,800 students at the school was selected to participate in a study. So we used 120 students. For the study, 60 of the students selected received a weekly practice test and the rest did not. So, half and half. 60 got the test and 60 did not take that test. Which of the following is necessary to establish a cause and effect relationship between the use of weekly practice tests and the academic performance of students? A random selection of students from Pinewood to participate in the study, a random assignment of students to receive a weekly practice test. Well, in this case, we would say both. Of course, we should always keep in mind that this survey will just hold true, will hold valid for that school itself, but we don't want to generalize that to all schools, so it's okay. And if we want to see actually if more tests improve academics, we need to randomize everything as much as possible. So out of these 120 randomly selected students, first of all, we should randomly select them, which makes a proper answer. And then out of these randomly selected students, we should randomly again decide who's going to take the test and who's not. So in this specific exercise, both answers seem right and both should be applied, which makes D the right choice for us to answer.